In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import data into Monday.com CRM. We're starting on the Monday.com homepage. This is where you'll begin the import process, so make sure you're logged into the correct workspace before moving forward. If your data is already prepared, having your file ready in advance will make this much smoother. From the homepage, click on your profile, then choose the Import Data option. This opens the area where Monday.com lets you bring information in from external files. It's a useful feature when you want to quickly move contacts, leads, deals, or other CRM information into a new board without entering everything manually. Next, select the option to import an Excel sheet to a new board. In this example, you'll then upload your file. Keep in mind that Monday.com accepts CSV and Excel files, so if your data is in another format, you'll need to convert it first. Before uploading, it's a good idea to check that your columns are clearly labeled, since that will help keep your board organized once the data is imported. After the file uploads, click on Let's Customize Your New Board. This is the stage where Monday.com helps shape your imported file into a usable board layout. In simple terms, it allows the platform to recognize your data structure and prepare the board so your columns and rows make sense inside the CRM. This customization step is helpful because it gives you more control over how your imported information will appear and function. Once that looks good, click Next. This moves you forward through the setup process and confirms the initial board configuration based on your uploaded file. On the following screen, click Next again. At this point, you're continuing through the import setup so Monday.com can finalize the structure of your new board. If you ever want to pause and review the information on screen, this is a good time to do it carefully to avoid importing data into the wrong format. Finally, click Create Board. Monday.com will then generate a new board using the data from your uploaded file. Once the import is complete, your information should be available inside the CRM board, ready for sorting, tracking, and further customization. That's how to import data into Monday.com CRM. Thank you for watching and subscribe for more.